Hello class, this is Mom Says, signing on. This video lecture teaches you how to create a very simple animation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's begin. First, you need to have a background. So we're going to add a slide here, a new slide, and then let's insert picture. Example, this one. And then make the picture size same with the PowerPoint slide, so it would look like this one. And then copy paste the slide or duplicate as many as you can. It's up to you. And then let's insert an object, a picture again, for example butterfly. And then copy paste the butterfly. For example, you can copy paste it using the right clicking your mouse and then choose copy, or simply Control C and then Control V, victory, on your keyboard, or right click and then paste. It's up to you, whichever is comfortable and you think you can do it faster. Then let's move our butterfly here. Then do the same, Control V, and move the butterfly. Take a look at the butterfly. You are just changing the position of the butterfly. And do not forget to save your work in case there would be a power interruption. At least you have saved some part of your work. So we'll name it butterfly animation. Then click save. So after clicking save, after doing a lot of duplication copy of the background and moving the butterfly to wherever you like it, like that. Now you can have as many copies as you like. Okay, after that, you can insert sound here. It depends on your animation. You can also insert sound from your PC. Example, click insert from the insert menu, media, you choose audio on my PC, And once the audio is inserted, just click the audio to format. For example, for the playback, you choose play in background and check if it is starting automatically. Make sure that the play across slides and loop until stop are checked. And then you can choose your desired volume, for example medium. Okay, and then after that, do not forget again to save your work. Control S. And then you can have the slideshow to check if it is working according to your desire. And then to save it, making your PowerPoint presentation in video format, just click Save As and then choose MP4. Then save. Then click OK. Then give some time to the PowerPoint to convert your presentation into a video. Before you convert your presentation into a video, make sure that all the slide has no transition. After you insert the sound, make sure the duration of each slide is just 1 second, and make sure that the on mouse click is unchecked. The after 1 second is checked. Apply that on all slides. Okay. After that, then you may save and convert your presentation into a video. And now let's watch the converted PowerPoint presentation into video file. You can get it to whichever location you saved your video. Just click on your Windows Explorer window. And that's all for now. This is Mom Says saying, today is another chance to get better. Goodbye, class. Stay safe, everyone. This is Mom Says, signing off.